Hi, I am Geetha Kalahasti, Associate Principal Scientist of Upstream Research, Clinical Research, and Scientific Credentialing at Mary Kay. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a no-needle alternative to target dynamic wrinkles, lines and creases caused by facial expressions. That's right, in just 8 weeks, Mary Kay Clinical Solutions' Dynamic Wrinkle Limiter is clinically shown to be 76% as effective as a widely used wrinkle-relaxing injection treatment. It's a skincare revolution in so many ways. How do we know? Mary Kay used novel clinical methodology and validation that uniquely demonstrated the formula's effectiveness. Inspired by a widely used professional treatment, this exclusive topical option uses plant extracts to achieve comparable results with no frozen face effects. In fact, in as little as 4 weeks, Clinical Solutions' Dynamic Wrinkle Limiter is clinically shown to visibly reduce lines in the forehead, extended crow's feet, and between the brows. With continued use, wrinkles appear 36% smoother in the forehead and extended crow's feet areas, and 30% smoother between the brows after 8 weeks. We achieved these amazing results through innovative ingredient technology. Our patent-pending botanical wrinkle limiting technology helps minimize the impact of facial expression that cause the appearance of dynamic wrinkles. We tested 25 actives and selected 3 plant extracts to work in unison to deliver high-efficacy results. French lavender extract and rosemary extract help minimize the impact of facial expression, which can cause dynamic wrinkles. And electric daisy extract is a well-known wrinkle relaxant. Mary Kay Clinical Solution products are dermatology-inspired and designed to deliver our highest level of skincare performance. With Clinical Solutions' Dynamic Wrinkle Limiter, you can experience pain-free results and see a difference in your skin as little as 4 weeks. Not only that, but Clinical Solutions' Dynamic Wrinkle Limiter, like all Clinical Solution products, carries the special validation seal. When you see the seal, be assured that an external advisory panel of dermatologists has validated the product by conducting a thorough review and evaluation of clinical tests, data, and/or scientific support for the formula and ingredients. For the best results, apply Clinical Solutions' Dynamic Wrinkle Limiter in the morning and evening after cleansing and toning. Prepare to see fewer lines and wrinkles and deep wrinkles that appear less severe, all while still being able to express yourself. I think you're gonna love it.